Mr. Witness, and this is the second to the last question. Mr. Witness, could you tell us, after you did this audit evaluation and these recommendations, what happened next? What other matters occurred, if any, in connection with your audit
From when po?
during the time that you were still there?
There was a time po that I was called in a meeting. Po.
Tinawag ka sa meeting
Yes, ma'am.
at nandun ka pa sa COA ICFAO.
Yes, ma'am.
Maalala mo anong date itong meeting na to?
It was around second week po ng September of 2023.
At sino-sino ang nasa meeting na to?
Ang naalala ko po ay si Attorney Zuleika Lopez at si Attorney Michael Powa po. At yung dating head po ng ICFAO na si Assistant Commissioner Nilda Plaras at si Attorney Gloria Camora po.
Okay. Sinong nagtawag ng meeting na to?
Hindi ko na po ma-recall kung sino nagtawag. Ang naalala ko lang po ay pinasama po ako dun sa meeting na yun.
Pinasama ka? Bakit ka pinasama sa meeting na to?
Dahil ako po yung in charge of the audit of the confidential fund nung DepEd at OVP po.
Kilala mo ba, Mr. Witness, si Attorney Michael Powa?
Nakikita ko po siya sa news.
Nakikita mo siya sa news? Hindi mo siya nakikita sa in-person? Ayan, oh.
During that time, sorry, hindi po clear yung particular period.
Oh, kilala mo ba? When you went to that meeting, were you able to identify Attorney Michael Powa?
Nagpakilala po sila, ma'am.
Nagpakilala sa iyo. Okay. And what happened during that meeting? Attorney, sorry for that.
No, that's fine.
Nagpapagising lang tayo.
Okay lang po.
But you confirm that this is the attorney that you saw in that meeting.
Yes po.
Okay. What happened sa meeting na yan?
They asked po about the liquidation process po ng confidential fund and yung mga supporting documents po na required with respect to the liquidation documents po.
Okay. Sinabi mo, before I go to the next question, sinabi mo na nandun din si Attorney Zuleika Lopez.
Sa pagkakaalala ko po, yes ma'am.
Okay. Do you know? Did you know then who she was?
Nagpakilala po siya sa amin as the Chief of Staff of the OBP po.
Chief of Staff of?
The Office of the Vice President.
Ano naman ang connection niya, if at all, sa DepEd?
Hindi niya po, wala po siyang sinabing na connection niya with the DepEd.
Okay. Ngayon naman, Mr. Witness, tell us what transpired, if you recall, of that meeting sometime in September.
They
Of,
asked po about the liquidation process po nung cash advances as well as kung ano po yung mga supporting documents required.
And anong sagot? Tinanong nila kung anong mga requirements.
They were referred po
Hindi nila alam ang mga requirements para sa...
They clarified po kasi may mga agencies din po na nagka-clarify sa amin about requirements ng joint circular since it is very technical po.
At ano naman ang sagot ninyo?
They were referred po by Assistant Commissioner Nilda Plaras to the joint circular for the specific requirements.
And nung sinabi ng COA ICFAO, sinabi ni Assistant Commissioner Nilda Plaras ang requirements. Ano ang reaction nila? Ni Attorney Zuleika at ni Attorney Powa. Kung maalala mo.
Nag-confirm naman. Can you, reaction po ni Attorney Zuleika?
Sinabi mo
Yes, they
earlier
agree naman po that they
during
will...
the meeting, Mr.
Opo.
Witness, tinanong nila ano ang mga requirements para mag-submit ng documents para liquidation ng confidential funds, tama?
Yes, ma'am.
At sinabi naman, ang sagot
They were referred to the joint circular po.
joint circular.
And sinabi din po ni Assistant Commissioner Nilda Plaras na in case merong makitang findings during the audit ay mag-i-issue po ng AOM.
Okay. Nung sinabi ng Assistant Commissioner, basahin nyo na lang yung joint circular. Ano naman ang response nila?
Well, they asked po if instead of an audit observation memorandum in case may audit findings, ay audit query na lang po yung i-issue sa kanila.
Audit query na lang ang dapat i-issue, yun ba ang sinabi nila? Ano naman itong audit query na sinabi nila, ito na lang please ang i-issue ninyo, wag na lang AOM. What is an audit query, Mr. Witness?
Hindi po ako familiar sa audit query since hindi naman po siya kasama dun sa issuances under the Joint Circular 2015-01.
Sa joint circular, walang audit query?
Wala po.
Ngayon, anong nangyari nung sinabi nilang audit query na lang please ang i-issue ninyo?
Hindi
Bakit?
po. Ano po?
Anong nangyari?
Hindi po pumayag si ICFO since hindi naman po sa sanction nung aming Joint Circular 2015-01. So nag-issue pa rin po kami ng AOM nung may na-note po kaming findings during the audit.
Okay. So nag-issue pa rin despite this meeting ng isang AOM. Pagkatapos nun, anong nangyari if you still recall?
After po ma-approve yung AOM, nag-attempt po kaming iserve yung AOM to the office address po nung OBP pero hindi po siya tinanggap dahil wala daw po mag-receive na authorized person.
Okay. And itong first attempt nyo, pagkatapos nun, anong nangyari?
On the afternoon of the same date po na nag-attempt kami to serve, nagbigay po sila ng revised accomplishment report sa ICFAO.
Okay. Ngayon, Mr. Witness, sinabi mo kahapon at ngayon na ang basis ng inyong post-audit or compliance audit ay ang joint circular.
Yes, ma'am.
2015 ng 5 government agencies. Kasama dyan ang COA, tama?
Yes, ma'am.